Thank you very much, Your Excellency the President, Mama Raila Odinga, Menping, the lady whom I think the entire community should be very proud of, together with the entire Raila Odinga family. Leaders who have come here, I have a few remarks to make because this is the most difficult day of my political career ever since I joined politics. I know the reason why I've decided to be strong is that I'm aware that if I went ahead of Raila, he would be strong for me. And therefore I've decided to be strong for Raila Odinga today. But it was not an easy day. Let me say the following. Many of us here know Raila as Baba. Many know him as Jacom. Many know him as Agwambo. We know him as Tinga. We remember him as Nyundo. He is Okegonea. He can be everything. He sounds very big. But we must remember, for some of us, that Raila started small. Raila worked hard. Raila remained resilient. Raila remained patient to reach where he is. I remember in 1992, 33 years ago, when I was a student at the University of Nairobi, Raila was running for Langata parliamentary seat. He could come to my room, Block J, room 19. Later, Block B, in Malindi, Block B, room number 2. Planning on how to win Langata. That time, the politics of Nairobi was volatile and violent. There was Jeshi la Mzee, led by Fredo Mulogumo. There was in Embakasi, David Mwenje. In Kibra, in Langata, we had Kimani Regendo over Fodasili. Very violent campaigns. All the university students from main campus, Parkland and Chiromo, were in the payroll of Mulogumo. He had to come to Lower Kabete, where I was leading the student leadership to get support to win its seat in Langata parliamentary seats. That is how Raila started. Raila is a patient man. That is why he has reached where he has reached. But let me say the second. Raila was a forgiving man. Many people here betrayed Raila in one way or the other. Betrayed Raila in one way or the other. I remember in 1996, when Raila took on Wamalwa Kijana for Ford Kenya chairmanship, all the leaders of the Luo community, members of parliament, Raila only remained with Dr. Buru Odinga, his brother. He remained with Jobomino from Kisumu. He remained with Fibasio from Homa Bay. He remained with Oirojode. He remained with Tom of Nyatike. And he remained with Owina Chola. And remained also with Ochiengbeo from Madari. All those people, apart from Omino and Fibasio, all those won their seats in by-elections. Raila soldiered on, despite the fact that the Luo leadership had deserted him. But now, he has died when all the Luo leaders are behind Raila Odinga, Agwambo Tinga. I am happy that, Baba, you are going ahead of us without me betraying you. I was behind you. You are with me. You gave me positions of leadership when nobody imagined that I could lead. You made me the assistant minister in the office. You made me the longest serving chairman of your party when you were alive. You made me minority leader. You made me Minister of Finance, the first Luo to be a Minister for Finance in the Republic of Kenya. Baba, thank God that I never betrayed you. Even when you gave me the sad news that I was not going to be the governor for Homa Bay County, I still stood behind you because I know why you made that decision. Baba will not disappoint you. I will not betray you. The only place where we disagreed and you allowed it is that you are supporting Arsenal and I'm supporting Manchester United. Allow me to say the last word, my brother in Kijaluo. Joturwa, 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 Musa wakaiwa. Kane nyasi uneno kajo Israel osetagore igni no miyo gi Musa. Musa no wuothe bungu. Ji nondhogo Musa. Jo Israel no mondhoge. Bad notero jo Israel mogik e dho river Jordan. Kano oneno Kanaan loka cha. To kono jo Israel ni Kanaan e cho. Piny mang'ich, piny man gi mor kich, piny mantie chak. Bad ok nachop kodu. Abro weyo nu ji e toka ka. Joma biro tero u Kanaan. Abro weyo nu Joshua. Abro weyo nu Harun. Jogi biro kao. Bro chopo kodu Kanaan. Buda mawantiere ni. Raila osedi. Awa Musa osedi. Ang'eyo ni Joshua nika. Harun nika. Kisomo Deuteronomy chapter 34 verse 8. Tijaki somo Numbers chapter 20 verse 29. Jo Israel kane Musa to. Harun boto. Negi kwayo 30 days. Magi yuako ko jogi. Wakwayo 30 days kako ganda. Mono wa mon Raila. Bang 30 days. Wabiro miyo direction. Kamo ganda luo dhiye. My last word. My last word. My last word. As a community, Your Excellency. And I want to tell you this. Don't be shaken. As a community, there is something we believe in. That a leader, before he dies, a leader knows his death, but he doesn't talk about his death. He will show his people, before he dies, what he wants to be done. He will show his people where to take everything that he has. Raila showed us. Raila showed us before he died that he wanted us to be in government. As a community, as a party, we will be in broad-based government. We will support broad-based government. We will work with you. Mara yud thuolo mamoko aywago siepna. Lakini wawegi kanyo. I want to leave you with one verse. That is Luke chapter 9 verse 49. When Joanna came to Jesus and told Jesus that Ruth waneno jomoko kayud riembo jochiende to giluongo nyingi to wakwerogi nikech ok gin achiel kuomwa. To Yesu nokone ni uneno utimo marach. Ng'ata ma ok omon kodwa en ng'atwa. Ng'ama ok mon kodwa en ng'atwa, en ogandawa. Nyasaye matelu osiepna nin maber, osiepna nin gi kwe.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mamangu Mama Aida, and the Odinga family. Your Excellency, let me